The binomial name of pigeon is options A. Homo sapiens, B. Rattus rattus, C. Mangifera indica, D. Columbolivis. Correct answer option D. Columbolivia. Who was the greatest ruler of Sangama dynasty? Options A. Bukka, B. Devaraya II, C. Harihara II, D. Krishnadevaraya. Correct answer Devaraya II. Who introduced Mansabdari system? Options A. Sher Shah, B. Akbar, C. Jahangir, D. Shah Jahan. Correct answer option B. Akbar. Which Indian city is known as the City of Joy? Options A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Chennai, D. Kolkata. Correct answer option D. Kolkata. Which is the smallest union territory of India? Options A. Delhi, B. Lakshadweep, C. Pondicherry, D. Chandigarh. Correct answer option B. Lakshadweep. Which is the largest national park of India? Options A. Sundarbans National Park, B. Indravati National Park, C. Hemis National Park, D. Gangotri National Park. Correct answer option C. Hemis National Park. What is found in largest quantity on earth? Options A. Soil, B. Tree, C. Water, D. Oxygen. Correct answer option D. Oxygen. Which is the fruit whose seeds contain poison? Options A. Jackfruit, B. Apple, C. Banana, D. Orange. Correct answer option B. Apple. In which city of India is Jantar Mantar located? Options A. Delhi, B. Jaipur, C. Mumbai, D. Kolkata. Correct answer option A. Delhi. Which snake lives in a nest? Options A. Python, B. Anaconda, C. Daman, D. King Cobra. Correct answer option D. King Cobra. Question for you. In which year was Aadhaar card established?